Hello, all you jelly beans. Jelly bean here. I got something in the mail. Let's see what it is. The box. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. $1. Ah! Ooh, that has a texture on it. I pre-ordered this with all my other stuff. It just barely came out. So now I have Galarian Rapidash V. Ooh. What number are you? Wow. I didn't know Rapidash was one of the optional one. Oh. I'm keeping this box. I gotta be very careful opening this. This box is amazing. Okay. Something to open it with. I am keeping this. Just gonna mess it up. Perfect. Did I ruin it? Nope. That is awesome. I love this thing already. It's amazing. Alright, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna clear my desk off and get everything ready.